If you are facing internet connectivity problems on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 PC, then resetting your network settings might be the easiest and most effective solution. Start by right-clicking on the Start menu icon and then select Settings from the pop-up list. Now, head to the left pane of the Settings window and then click on Network and Internet. Scroll down until you find Advanced Network Settings. Click on it. In this section, you will see a list of your network adapters, and under the More Settings section, you will find an option called Network Reset. This option allows you to reset all your network adapters to their original factory settings. Click on Network Reset and then click on Reset Now. A confirmation prompt will appear asking, "Are you sure you want to reset your network settings?" Go ahead and click Yes to proceed. Once confirmed, you will see a message stating Windows will shut down in 5 minutes. Your system will automatically restart, and during that time, all network settings will be reset. After rebooting, you will need to reconnect to your Wi-Fi network manually, as all saved networks and credentials will be cleared. That's the end of this tutorial. If this tutorial helped you out, please hit that like button and subscribe. It doesn't cost a thing, but it really helps support the channel so I can keep bringing more helpful content your way. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.